gonna try to turn in here. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. I know it's been like forever since I've posted a video, but I decided today I'm gonna be doing another video for you guys. I did recently get a new car and I started doing DoorDash, and normally I do DoorDash on the days that I do not work, and today is Thursday and I work tomorrow, so I have all of today off. So I'm gonna be doing DoorDash right now. Right now it is 3:47 p.m. in the afternoon. I got this package in the mail from DoorDash. They sent me this package, and I just want to show you guys, like, after your first week of doing DoorDash, I think you have to complete like a couple dashes, like 5 or maybe 2, like I don't know. Like after you complete like a couple, they're gonna send you this thing in the mail, and basically it's like a kit for you, you know, for you to use. So first thing that I see is that they gave me this face mask. Oh, so this is how the face mask look like. Ooh, my makeup's about to ruin this, but this is so cute. It just has the little DoorDash label right on it. Next thing that I see is they gave me a red card. If the person don't pay for their food, you can pay for their food for them. They sent me this red card in the mail, and this is the card that I will use to pay for the food. The next thing that I see in here, this actually came with a hand sanitizer, but I think the hand sanitizer is in my room somewhere. I probably forgot. The next thing that I see is this DoorDash bag, and basically it's meant for you to like keep the food hot, you know, just in case I need to use it. I can put the food in this bag. Super convenient. So I'm gonna have all this stuff in my car with me. I feel like the only downside about doing DoorDash is the fact that you gotta put your own gas in your car, you know, like, so if you don't have gas, you can't do DoorDash. So like that's the #1 downside about it, like spending money on gas. You have the option to pick if you want to like pick a schedule, or if you want to, you know, just start dashing, like dash now without a schedule. Normally I do dash now, like I don't put a specific time that I want to dash till. So this is how the screen looked like when you first open DoorDash. It tells you like the little stuff in red is basically it's telling you like places that are busy right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click dash now, and I'm gonna say dash till 7 o'clock p.m. We're gonna do till 7. It's gonna tell me that before I can start, I should make sure that my phone is charged and I have enough gas. My phone is not charged, but it's plugged in, and I have okay amount of gas. I'm probably gonna end up putting gas in my car because I'm already a little bit low. So and right now it's telling me like all these are the hot spots. This is basically where it's busy, near America's Best Wings. Normally I find the closest, like the ones is not like far away. Like I want the closest location because I'm not trying to drive really far. Normally when you drive there, that's when like orders will stop popping up. So I'm gonna start recording myself again once I get there. It's 19 minutes away. If my camera fall, y'all, hopefully it do not. I don't really need the GPS right now. Like I already know where America's Best Wings is at. I'm gonna stop it. Let's see what's on the radio. Give me everything you got. Alright, I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there because my camera just fell. Alright, I wasn't recording, but I just got my first order. So basically I have to go to this restaurant called Colonial Kitchen. I really hate turns. Oh my god. It says it should be right here. Oh, I see it. Am I even allowed to park here? I don't even care. Like I'm telling you, parking is another thing that you gotta worry about when you're doing DoorDash, because that shit is so hard. So now that I'm here, I'm just gonna, you know, go back to the DoorDash app. I'm gonna slide after arrival. Nothing is even loading. I'm gonna try to go in and see if it loads.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, all of this?
Y'all, we got the food. Okay, we're not gonna put it in my car because they ordered a lot of stuff. Y'all, it's so hot. I'm like literally regretting why I wear this hoodie right now. This person food smells so good. I also forgot to tell you guys how much I'm making for this dash. I'm getting paid $8 something. I'm gonna show you guys like after I deliver it. I am 3 minutes away, so all right, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. It said that I have arrived. I'm gonna call her and I'm gonna tell her I'm outside with her food.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. I'm outside with your food. I'm not exactly sure which.
What's the B building, which is like the upper building?
I see B223.
Yep, that's it.
That's it? Okay. Hello, are you Nancy?
No.
No? Yeah, somebody ordered DoorDash. They said their mom was outside.
What's her last name? We have a Nancy in A building.
Oh, yeah, so I just delivered the food to her mother. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after you deliver the food. This is really stressful, y'all. I literally had to, like, I just spent almost 10 minutes trying to find this place. It was an apartment and she's telling me to go to the lobby. Like, I don't know where the lobby is at. The GPS literally brought me on the other side. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, this lady just came up to my car. She thought it was her car. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna drive to my next location, and I will see you guys when I get there. Okay, hopefully another order pop up. I'm gonna just keep driving to order pop up. Yeah, I just got another order. I'm going to Fallcroft Diner and it's 2 minutes away. Yeah, I just got here. I'm gonna go in the restaurant and go pick up this order, and then we're gonna go deliver it. Oh my god.
Immune health support.
Hello. I have a DoorDash pickup.
Hi, honey.
I have a DoorDash pickup.
It's not on the table, my friend. Give us some.
Yeah, I just got the food. Now we're gonna go deliver it. Oh, her food's falling. Oh my god, I just got my makeup all on my seatbelt. The food has... Stop doing that. Stop being disrespectful. I'm gonna go get the food. This is $2.59. Alright, we gotta find her house. I'll be back, y'all. Yeah, we just gave her her food. DoorDash was gonna pay me $3. She tipped me $8, so I made a total of $11 total. If she wasn't gonna tip me that much, I would have made $3. The sun has been crazy lately. Like, do y'all see this? I can't see nothing. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get to my next location. Hopefully an order pop up. I just got Chick-fil-A for the Quadier. We're now gonna go deliver it. He's like 12 minutes away. Like 12 minutes. I don't really feel like driving 12 minutes. So I'm only making $4, y'all. $4. Like, I'm gonna try to turn in here. Yeah. What have I got myself into? It's just a car right now, and so far I made $24. I made enough to cover my parking ticket that I got earlier today. Like, I kind of want some smoothie at the moment, so I think I'm gonna go to Wawa and get me a smoothie. Shut up! My brightness is all the way down, but it literally says there's an order popping up for $3 for a McDonald's. I'm not doing no $3 delivery. If it's not $6 or more, I'm not accepting it. I've had multiple orders. They were trying to pay me like $13, $15 for the delivery, but I did not want to drive. Like, the miles was freaking like 18. It was like 18 something miles. Like, I'm not driving that far for no delivery. So I didn't accept it. Like, it just popped up on the screen and then the timer ran out. So, but I'm gonna go to Wawa right now. I'm so stupid. I am so retarded. I could have parked right here. My fault. I think the order just popped up. There's an order, y'all. Let's see. Are we gonna accept this order today? It's $8. Let's park first. I don't care that it's $8. Like, it's $8, but the miles is 8.4 miles. I'm not driving 8.4 miles. I'm technically not even hungry. I just ate. Like, my mom cooked today, and I ate, but I'm just thirsty. I've been craving a smoothie all day. Like, all day. Right now it is 6:21. I'm gonna go in and go get my smoothie. at Wawa, and when I come back I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm back in my car, y'all, and I went to Wawa and I got my smoothie. I got me a strawberry mango. I think this is new. It said new on the thing when I got it. I had to put my light on because it's dark outside now. Alright, so the light is horrible. An order just popped up, but this one's for only $4.50. I don't want it. Alright, y'all, so I just got home and I actually stopped at Dollar General and I got some juice. Right here, because you know I'm thirsty. But y'all, today was a bad day. I didn't make that much. I only did like three or four deliveries. So I only made like $20 something, which you guys are probably saying, like, thinking like, oh my god, that's not even a lot. But like, I'm gonna show you guys how much I made during DoorDash. If I would have done it a lot longer, I probably would have made around $40-50 in a couple hours. If you really want to do DoorDash and you want to make money, like if you don't have a job, or like you're trying to really make, even if you do have a job and you're trying to like really make money doing DoorDash, I suggest you actually invest your time into it. And like, the quicker you get there, the quicker you're able to pick up the food, deliver, and the more time you have to complete another delivery. So the more effort that you put into it, the more money you make out of it. I definitely could have made a lot more. As y'all could see, when I was dashing, like I had so many orders popping up on the phone. Like I had some for like $13-14. Today I just was not in the mood. I don't know why. I just was so lazy. Like I didn't even feel like driving. But like if I was to accept all of those orders, I probably made like $50, almost $60 by now in like 3-4 hours. But I was declining. I wasn't declining the offer. I was just letting the timer run out. Today was Thursday, October 22nd. I made $24.50 and I recorded it for you guys. That's nothing. That is let me show you guys how much I made last week. Last week DoorDash paid me $128.50. And I made this in 1 week, and I only did it for 8 hours and 36 minutes throughout the entire week. So like I didn't do it all like straight out. I did it like, I did like 2 hours each day for the whole week, and I made $128. And you guys have to keep in mind that I also do have school, and then I also have I also do work a normal job. So like if I was actually dedicating my time into this, I would have probably made around $200-400. You can make a lot of money doing DoorDash. If you are thinking about doing DoorDash, I suggest you do it, you guys. I just recently started doing this, so I'm not a pro at it. I'm gonna go ahead and rewatch all these clips. Hopefully you could hear me, because I don't know what was happening. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.